Welcome to this PowerShell tutorial. Today we will discuss how to implement confirmation prompts in your scripts to ensure that critical actions are executed only after user approval. The simplest way to prompt for user confirmation is by using the read host command. This method is straightforward and suitable for basic yes or no prompts. In this script, read host prompts the user with a question. If the user inputs Y, the script proceeds. Otherwise, it cancels the action. For more advanced prompts with multiple options, PowerShell provides the Host.UI.PromptForChoice method. Here we define a set of choices and pass them to PromptForChoice. The user's selection determines whether the action proceeds or is canceled. Many PowerShell commands support the -confirm parameter, which prompts for confirmation before executing potentially impactful actions. By adding -confirm to the remove item command, PowerShell will prompt the user for confirmation before deleting the specified file. PowerShell's confirm preference variable controls the confirmation behavior globally. The default level is high, but it can be adjusted as needed. Adjusting confirm preference changes when PowerShell prompts for confirmation. Setting it to none will suppress all confirmation prompts, while low will prompt for all actions. In this tutorial, we have explored various methods to implement confirmation prompts in PowerShell, from simple read host prompts to leveraging the built-in -confirm parameter and adjusting confirm preference. Incorporating these techniques into your scripts enhances control and prevents unintended actions. For more tutorials and resources, visit DelftStack.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PowerShell tips and tricks.